Time has a unique way of unveiling opportunities and signaling when we are ready for a transformation. As you step into this moment, it's important to recognize that your time to achieve financial abundance has arrived. This video will guide you through understanding your intrinsic value and how to effectively harness it for financial success. We'll explore how to shift your mindset, set clear intentions, and prepare yourself for prosperity. Accept this journey as we look into the foundational steps that will lead you to a life where millions aren't just a dream, but a tangible reality. Each of us possesses a unique set of skills and talents that, when properly recognized and utilized, can lead to substantial financial gain. The first step on your path to millions is acknowledging your own worth. Start by considering what you naturally excel at. Are you a problem solver, a creative thinker, or perhaps a people person? These inherent abilities are your assets in the marketplace. But realizing your value goes beyond just identifying your skills. It involves a deep appreciation for your potential to make a significant impact. Think about the times when others have valued your advice or complimented your work. These are clues to understanding your worth. To capitalize on this, begin documenting your skills and the positive feedback you receive. Create a portfolio or a list that details your accomplishments and the skills you bring to the table. This tangible record will not only boost your confidence, but also serve as a reminder of your valuable contribution. By fostering a profound understanding of your worth and actively documenting your achievements, you position yourself strongly in the path to financial success, reinforcing the belief that your talents are not only recognized, but also crucial for your journey towards achieving millions. One of the greatest barriers to financial success is our own set of limiting beliefs. These are the negative thoughts that hold us back from taking risks or pursuing our goals. Common limiting beliefs about money might include thoughts like, "I don't deserve to be wealthy," or "money is the root of all evil." These ideas stem from various sources, perhaps your upbringing or past experiences. To overcome these limiting beliefs, start by identifying them, write them down, and challenge each one critically. Ask yourself, is this really true? For instance, if you believe that you don't deserve wealth, remind yourself of your hard work and what you've contributed to others. Replace each negative belief with a positive, affirming statement. For example, change "I don't deserve to be wealthy" to "I am fully deserving of financial abundance because of my hard work and dedication." Repeating these positive affirmations daily can shift your mindset and open you up to the prosperity you deserve. Having a clear goal is crucial in the journey to wealth. Without a specific target, it's easy to lose focus and get sidetracked. Setting clear financial intentions involves more than just wishing for more money. It requires a detailed plan of what you want to achieve and by when. For instance, instead of merely stating "I want to be rich," specify how much money you aim to make, through what means, and the time frame you are looking at. Establishing these specific, measurable, and time-bound goals creates a roadmap to your financial success, helping you to focus your efforts and align your daily actions with your long-term objectives, thereby enabling you to navigate through the distractions and barriers with a clear vision of your financial aspirations. Start by writing down your financial goals. Make them SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, a SMART financial goal could be, "I aim to earn $100,000 by freelancing in graphic design by the end of next year." Such precise goals not only provide a clear path to follow, but also make the process of achieving wealth tangible and structured. A powerful tool in manifesting wealth is visualization. By creating a vivid mental image of your life as a wealthy individual, you condition your subconscious mind to work towards that reality. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself achieving your financial goals. Imagine receiving payments, increasing your savings, and living the lifestyle you desire. Imagine yourself handling wealth confidently and responsibly. This exercise is not just about daydreaming, but about embedding these images into your everyday thinking. It aligns your subconscious with your conscious efforts, enhancing your motivation and commitment to your financial goals. Regular visualization also helps maintain a positive emotional connection to your aspirations, making the journey towards them enjoyable and anticipated. By focusing on understanding your worth and preparing for prosperity, you set a robust foundation for financial success. These initial steps are critical in shifting your mindset and beginning your journey towards a life of abundance. With each step forward, remember that your time has come and millions are not just a possibility but are within your reach. The law of attraction suggests that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. To harness this principle for wealth, focus on maintaining a positive outlook about your financial future. It begins with your thoughts. Ensure that they are always geared towards abundance rather than scarcity. Instead of worrying about not having enough money, consistently visualize financial success and stability. To effectively use the law of attraction, you must feel the reality of wealth now, not just think about it for the future. Practicing feelings of gratitude as if your financial goals have already been achieved can powerfully attract these experiences into your life. Daily affirmations can be helpful here. Phrases like, "I am financially prosperous and secure," can reinforce a wealthy mindset. While positive thinking is powerful, aligning your actions with your financial intentions is crucial for manifesting wealth. This means taking deliberate steps that will lead to the realization of your financial goals. Start by assessing your current financial habits. Are they supporting your vision of wealth? If not, it's time to make changes. Create a budget that reflects your financial aspirations. Allocate funds not just for your current needs, but also for your investment plans that grow your wealth. Seek out additional income streams that align with your skills and market demand. If your goal is to increase savings, consider setting up an automated savings plan that directs a portion of your earnings into a savings account regularly. These concrete steps ensure that your daily actions are in sync with your overall financial objectives. Developing a wealth mindset involves more than just thinking positively about money. It requires a fundamental belief in your ability to earn and manage wealth. This mindset also entails understanding that wealth is not just about money, but a reflection of personal value and effort. Maintain a focus on continuous personal development and learning. Staying informed about financial management practices and investment strategies can also enhance your ability to manage and grow your wealth effectively. Consistency is key in maintaining a wealth mindset. Regularly review your financial goals and progress, adjusting your plans as necessary to stay on track. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep motivated. Remember, a wealth mindset is not developed overnight, but through persistent and consistent effort. Gratitude plays a significant role in maintaining a positive financial trajectory. By appreciating what you already have, you create more room to receive. Start and end your day by listing 3 financial blessings in your life. This could be as simple as having a job, receiving a paycheck, or even finding money. This practice helps shift your focus from what you lack to what you possess, cultivating a richer life perspective. Integrating gratitude into your daily life also means being thankful for opportunities to learn and grow financially. Whether it's a new investment opportunity or a lesson learned from a financial mistake, each experience offers valuable insights that can contribute to your financial wisdom. By staying grateful, you remain open to the abundance that life has to offer, keeping you in a state of receptivity and readiness for continued wealth. To move towards significant financial abundance, developing a keen understanding of financial principles is essential. Begin by educating yourself on the basics of personal finance, such as budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Knowledge is power, and in the realm of finance, this power translates into making informed decisions that can compound your wealth over time. Consider reading books, taking courses, or even following financial news to build your financial literacy. Learning how to analyze financial markets, understand economic indicators, and recognize investment opportunities can be particularly beneficial. Practical steps like reviewing your bank statements regularly, understanding your income and expenditure fully, and planning for future financial needs are crucial for building a solid financial foundation. Building a strong network is another vital step in advancing your financial goals. Connecting with like-minded individuals who are also focused on wealth creation can open up new opportunities for investments, partnerships, and ventures that you might not have access to otherwise. Attend seminars, join finance groups, or participate in events to meet potential mentors, partners, or investors who can offer guidance or collaboration opportunities. Being proactive in seeking out opportunities is essential. This could mean starting a side business, investing in stocks or real estate, or even furthering your education to increase your earning potential. Each action you take should align with your overall financial goals and contribute to your journey towards financial abundance. Remember that your time to achieve financial abundance has indeed come. The journey to wealth is both a mental and practical journey that requires dedication, education, and a proactive approach to seizing opportunities. You possess the power to transform your financial destiny through the actions you take every day. Stay committed to your financial goals, continually educate yourself, and expand your network. Keep your actions aligned with your aspirations and maintain a positive outlook about your financial future. Your consistent efforts will lead you to the financial abundance you seek. Let this video be the starting point of a committed endeavor towards your financial success. Keep moving forward, stay informed, and remain engaged in your financial growth. Your future is bright and your time is now.